Wind's picked up, probably a good 10-15 knots now, but might have a quick drop. Looks a little bit stormy. Might have to have a couple of drops on the way home this morning. Probably just a little hussar or something. Oh no, it's got a little bit of pull. I'd be happy with another trout. Oh. Yeah. What do we got? Oh, hang on. Oh, a little jobfish. Oh, a little jobfish. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, nice. We might have a few more drops here, but if this wind's picking up, we might have to try and head inshore a little bit. We don't want to get caught out here in 15 to 20s. Well, that wind seems to have died down. It's looking like it's clearing up and turning into another nice day. Definitely need a couple more fish in that esky though. Well, now we've got to decide whether we want to head back out to the shoals or whether we're trying to work our way back in. I mean, we've got plenty of fuel. Yeah, don't know. It was a little bit blowy this morning, kind of put the spooks up us a bit, but it seems to have settled down pretty nicely. Don't know. Get the shoal, let's do it. We've got plenty of fuel. Alright, we might be onto a half decent fish. Oh shit, if I can get it up, that is. Without any sharks. I got no idea. I got no call for this one. Of course, I'd love it to be what I want it to be. I'm not even going to say the word. What do we have? Oh, God damn it. Yep, that's I'm just having all the luck, eh? Just having all the luck. It's getting excited. Thought that was a good fish for a sec there. Oh. Yay. Alright, let's get him back in and drop down again. Alright, boat for sale. Anyone want to buy a boat? Bad fishermen not included. Definitely no fish. Oh yep. Alright, we got something decent size. Oh, oh yes. Holy shit. Oh, this is another Chinaman or a freaking trevally, tell ya. It is fighting very similarly to the Chinaman I just caught. If it's a chineman, we're going somewhere else. Okay. Oh, okay. We're still going somewhere else. Yeah, great fighting fish, but not what we want in the esky. Good size though. Man, definitely a bloody... Oh shit! Oh no! Oh fuck! God damn it! Fuck! Oh yes, come on. Better be something fucking decent. Oh, come on, don't. Oh yes. All right. Got him. Yes. Oh, I just pulled the hook. Felt that pull then. That sucks. All right, one more drop here. I can't be sure that whatever just pulled the hook wasn't a decent fish. So yeah, last drop. Unless I catch something decent, then we'll have another drift. But otherwise, we'll move along a little bit, I think. All right, we're on again. Oh shit! Oh crap! Oh shit! Trying to juggle bloody cameras and rods and but radio. Holy shit! Oh yeah. Hopefully that means it's a good fish. Not a bloody trevally or chineman. Oh, did that pull the... Oh no, he's still there. Okay, thought it pulled the hook. Wow. Well, you got a bit of power. I deserve a good fish, hey? Don't you reckon? I reckon. I think I've put enough time, energy, effort into this trip for very little reward so far. Oh, oh okay. Alrighty, time to move on. Yep, definitely time to move on. I consider that my marching orders. We'll give that back to the shark, who I think is probably there, maybe. All right, let's go somewhere else. Yeah, I'm done here. All right, that's the last of the bait. Yeah. That's right. It'll end up being a good solid 24 hours on the water plus. I mean, I did sook out just a bit before midnight last night. It was just dead as. Bit of action this morning at least, but it's not the kind of fish action that we're after, eh? Oh, well, I'm a long way out here right now too, by the way. This is practically the shelf. It's only, shelf's not very far over there. So we probably should start working our way back in, but anyway, maybe another drift or two around here and we'll start hitting some reefs on the way back in. Yeah, so we'll work our way down along this edge here and just keep an eye out for heaps of life on the sounder. Hopefully maybe just try and find some reef species. If nothing here, then we'll hit a reef on the way back home. Looks like there's a few little bits and pieces here, so I might just give it a quick drop. You never know. Oh, there you go. Yeah, nice little bit of country there. It's probably not quite exactly the fish everywhere or bait everywhere that I was sort of talking about, but might be worth a quick look. Getting desperate. Just went to pull this line up and we got something on it. Okay, not very big. Oh, the story of this trip, eh? Every second, every fish, not very big. Anything that is big, not worth keeping. Oh well, I've got to be happy with that. Okay, I was nearly going to call it too. I was nearly going to say I'd be happy with a trout. So I guess I have to be happy, and oh, look, I'm pretty happy with that really. That's a nice little trout, yeah, very good. Beautiful. That's all I need, a couple more fish. And then it'll be enough to sort of not feel too bad about coming all the way out here and catching bugger all. Beautiful, lovely. Yeah, quite happy with that. Look at the colours on him. Lovely. Bloody beautiful. That's sort of a bit more what I mean, hey, like see, like all that there, yeah, that's sort of more what I'm looking for. So yeah, we might do a couple of drifts over this. Let's get a bait down. Yeah, that's what we're talking about. Drop down to 40 meters, bait stuff everywhere. Yeah, can't quite see what that is in the water. Let's get a camera under there. Probably miss catching a fish while we're at it. What is that? I can't tell if it's like a ray or what. I don't know, I'll have to look at the footage afterwards. Can't quite see. Oh, we're getting bites. Oh, of course, probably baited now. I don't know, this might be the last hurrah. Hey, this is the last of the bait. We do have some jigs and stuff like that. Come on, fishies. All right, we'll take this tiny last little bit of bait. We've got some jigs and stuff like that, and we'll just hit one edge of the reef on the way home. Alrighty. I have no trouble finding room for him. There's bloody more esky than there is fish in there. No good, eh? No good. Oh, well. Oh, there's a couple of fish, but yeah, definitely not the most successful mission. Ooh, Tim Tams. Don't mind if I do. Alright, let's get out of here. Hey, look out. I was just about to leave. Oh shit, oh, I didn't get snagged. Oh. Just about to leave, I saw the light, sound the light up. And I thought, oh, I'll drop that little octa jig down real quick with a tiny little bit of squid. We're only in about 30 meters, so good chance this might be a little trout, or it could just be some little shitty, bloody cod or something, but, oh, and it's a nice trout, yes, awesome. Oh, how good's that? Yeah, trout are saving the day. All right. Yeah, there's just heaps of bait there, and I thought, oh, well, we'll give that a quick go. All right then, okay, we'll give that little spot another quick drift and see if we can't pull another trout or two. All right. Yeah, he's definitely legal, eh? What do we got here? He's about 43. Camera angle's pretty bad, sorry about that. Yeah, he's about 43. Alright, how's it looking down there still? Yeah, see all the edge of that bait? Yeah, still stuff there. Let's there's a tiny little bit more squid. Throw on that. I think that's the key with this little octa-jig, eh? Just a little bit of squid to go on it. Really makes a difference. Yeah, straight up, eh? Just dropped it down and bam. Fish on straight away. Might be salvaging the mission yet. Oh, we got another one. Oh, it's pretty small though. The story of this trip, pretty small though. Or too big and no good. What we got? What we got? What we got? Oh, a little tricky. Whoa, he's going to be close. He might not be legal, eh? Red throat emperor, 38. Yeah, I don't think he's quite going to be legal. Nah, he's like 35, 36. Yeah. Alright. We will have a try and swim this guy. There we go, he swam away. Alright. Well, I might reset for another drift up there. See if we can pick up another trout. Oh, actually another red throat would be nice. Oh, yeah, then again, this is... Yeah, it's good ground too. Let's give it a go. Why not? Hey, we're catching here. We could go to that other reef and catch nothing, so... While the going's good. I mean, if you call that good. Here we go. Still plenty of room in that little esky. Oh shit. Oh yeah. Oh shit, there's a bit. Oh, holy crap. Holy shit. Oh wow. Okay. That's. Oh, I'm not. Look at me. Oh, actually got it. What happened there? That was like really heavy. Now it's like nothing. What is the GO? That's why it was really heavy. Now it's nothing. It would have been a shark. Shit, what even is that? Looks like a little rosy snapper or something. I don't know. Oh well. That's a bit of a shame. Didn't quite get him in time before the sharks. Oh, that's a real shame, yeah. Oh, just have to feed the... Alright, we might move back up, hey? Yeah. Oh, the good thing about this little octa head thing is it doesn't use much bait, at least. I'll give it that. Oh, cool. It's a bit messed up. Alright, let's get him baited up and down. Oh, and as soon as did I drop it, oh, we're on straight up. Alright, a little bit more weight in this one at least. Hopefully, this is mum, dad, or big brother, big sister. Now we've got to beat these sharks too. Definitely a good bit of weight in this. Oh, and it looks like a beautiful coral trout. Oh, amazing. Okay. Wow, this trip's going to be a coral trout success. Yeah, that's what's this? 3 or 4 coral trout now, so that's good. That's good. Can't go past the coral trout, I reckon. Well, this is a little Timu special octa jig. So I have to say, the trout like it. Trout love it. It's great. Trout love it, and I love the trout. Not the way that video loves the trout. You know that one? No, not like that. Eating the trout. Okay. Oh wow, these fucking cutters are shit. Alright. That's a fail on the Timu cutters, they're shit. Anyway. Oh no, that was it. That was it for the squid. Just got that last bit of... You know what, I'm going to go out with a bang. Let's drop this whole thing down. Yep, let's do that. We've got this one here rigged up, ready to go. Go big or go home. That's what I reckon. Yeah, last bait. Well, maybe I'll chuck a jig on the other one while there's nothing happening here. Should have another jig in here, I think. Ooh, oh, I got one of those too. Yeah, no, I don't want one of them. Okay. No, I actually want one of these. Yeah, now we're talking. I want this one. Oh yeah, I haven't tried this one yet. Considering I don't have any bait, this one might go well. Actually, he's fluorescent, and has this really cool, cool little dangly bloody hooks on it too. Yeah, Timu special. What do we got? 36 meters. Okay. Let's throw him over here for a minute. Let's throw this one over here for a minute. Let's check this one for a minute. Yeah, no, he's fine. Alright. And how's the sounder looking? Yeah, we're coming over a bump. I don't know. Yeah, it's only 36 meters here, but anyway. Good trout country, I guess, but phew! I was just jigging away, honestly not expecting, and then bam, just got, I literally just turned the damn cameras off too here, so I'm even talking to this one, it's not even on. There we go. All right. Oh yeah. It might still be on even without bait. Oh yeah, look at that. That is awesome. Oh, mate. Far out. What do you reckon? Look at this. Well, I honestly haven't had a day like this on the trout for a long time. Well, this is just as well. Oh, that's awesome. All right. It's only 24, so we'll go a little bit deeper. Actually, we've got to, let's get this guy bled first, and we'll get that jig down again. Okay. There we go. All right. Oh, beautiful trout. Another bloody beautiful trout. All right. All right, trout. Blind limit, all trout species 7. Oh, I'll be getting close. I better count them. Yeah, all right. Back in a minute. Yeah, as I thought, yeah, we're up to 5, so I could go up to 7. It's nearly 11 o'clock. I might just have one more little drift, drop that jig down. I mean, if we get another one, we get another one. If not, whatever, 5's good enough. I don't need to bag out. Still got a couple of hours to get back. Yeah, anyway. Oh shit! Oh yes! Oh, come on. Yes, have I got him? I got him. One of these bastards. Again. Alright, catch of the day. Check this out. Alright, we can go home now. Alright, well I just got bloody snagged on 2 jigs at one go then, so that's a real blow. Anyway, it's lunchtime, eh? Getting this poke mix sorted out. There's our poke mix, very nice. Give that a good mix around and give that 20 minutes. That's lunch sorted. Alright, we'll give another jig a go, I suppose. Vibe didn't seem to do too much for me. There we go. Definitely getting on to the it's nearly time to go home part of the day. Alright, well I just lost the other one of these before, but yeah, we had such a good run with them before. Got a couple of tiny little offcuts of Spanish mackerel there. So we might chuck him on. And this may just be the difference in us bagging another fish or two. Alright, let's give him a drop. Alright, we got something. We're in sort of red throat and trout country, so I'm kind of hoping a couple of red throat might be nice additions. Oh, there we go, beautiful. There's one right there. Oh, I don't know if he's legal though. Probably not. It's going to be 38. I'm thinking he's probably like that other one, like 35. Yeah, righto. Hang on a minute. Yeah, no, he's like 35. No good. Bugger. Okay. Just a couple of bigger ones. That'd be nice. Yeah, last little spot. That's it. Literally, we're just going to have a couple of drifts here and then we're heading home. Been a pretty good trip. Alright, well, I reckon this should be just about ready. Oh, there we go, probably can't really see that. Get a piece out. There we go, how's that look? Beautiful. That's really good. Oh well, thanks for coming along for the fishing trip, and yeah, we'll see you on the next trip.